I want to be upfront with you before we start. I spent 30 days testing 5 completely different AI side hustles. I put real time and real effort into every single one. Some performed better than I expected. Some underperformed. And one surprised me completely. Today, I am sharing the honest results. What I tested, what I earned, and which one I would recommend to a complete beginner starting from zero today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The 5 AI side hustles I tested. I chose 5 hustles that are genuinely different from each other. Different time requirements, different skills, different platforms. I wanted to test the full range of what AI-powered side income actually looks like in practice. Hustle 1, AI content writing on Fiverr. Hustle 2, selling AI-generated digital products on Gumroad. Hustle 3, AI translation services on Upwork. Hustle 4, AI-assisted social media management for local businesses. Hustle 5, selling AI prompt packs to other creators. 30 days, 5 hustles, 1 person, real numbers only. Hustle 1, AI content writing on Fiverr. This was the hustle I had the most confidence in going in. Writing is one of the clearest AI use cases, and Fiverr has millions of buyers actively searching for content writers every day. I set up my gig on day 1 using Claude to write my profile, my gig description, and my portfolio samples. By day 4, my first order arrived. A blog post for a fitness brand. $30. By the end of 30 days, I had completed 11 orders. Total revenue, $340. Total active work time, approximately 18 hours across the month. Fiverr content writing verdict, strong and consistent. Best hustle for fast first income. Requires ongoing active work but scales steadily with reviews. Hustle 2, AI digital products on Gumroad. I created 3 digital products using Claude. A content calendar template for coaches, a 50 prompt pack for small business owners, and a beginner guide to using AI for freelancers. Setting up all 3 products took 1 weekend. After that, 0 ongoing work required. Month 1 sales, 9 units across all 3 products. Revenue, $127. Slow start. But every sale arrived passively while I was working on other hustles. By month 2, with no additional effort, the same products earned $89. These are permanent assets that will keep generating income indefinitely. Digital products verdict, slow to start but fully passive. Best for long-term compounding income. Combine with other hustles while it builds. Hustle 3, AI translation services on Upwork. This was the hustle I expected least from. I have no language skills. I used DeepL combined with Claude for quality review. Getting my first Upwork project took longer than Fiverr, 11 days before my first order. A 500-word document translated from English to Spanish, $25. By day 30, I had completed 4 translation projects. Total revenue, $110. Total work time, 6 hours. Translation verdict, lower volume than content writing but excellent income per hour. Less competition than writing services. Worth pursuing seriously as a standalone hustle. Hustle 4, AI social media management. This hustle had the highest potential income on paper. Monthly retainers from local businesses managing their social media content using Claude. The reality was harder than expected. Getting local businesses to trust a new provider for social media took time and multiple conversations. I landed 1 client on day 19 at $150 per month. 1 client in 30 days. But that 1 client represents $150 recurring every month going forward with approximately 4 hours of monthly work. Social media management verdict, slowest to land first client, but highest recurring income potential. Start immediately because results compound from month 2 onwards. Hustle 5, selling AI prompt packs. This was the surprise of the experiment. I created 3 prompt packs using Claude, 1 for marketers, 1 for coaches, and 1 for productivity enthusiasts. Listed them on Gumroad at $12 each. Month 1 sales, 14 units. Revenue, $168. Highest passive revenue of any hustle I tested. The prompt packs required one focused day to create. They are easier to produce than full digital guides. And the buyer market, people who already use AI and want better prompts, is growing rapidly. Prompt packs verdict, the most underrated hustle on this list. 1 day of creation. Fully passive ongoing income. Highly repeatable with new packs targeting different niches. The final results. After 30 days, content writing on Fiverr, $340 digital products on Gumroad, $127 translation services on Upwork, $110 social media management, $150 recurring AI prompt packs, $168 total month, 1 income across all 5 hustles, $895. From 5 side hustles, running simultaneously, with AI handling most of the production work. Which one would I recommend to a beginner? If you are starting from zero today, here is my honest recommendation. Start with content writing on Fiverr. It generates income the fastest. The learning curve is lowest. And every 5-star review builds momentum for everything that follows. While Fiverr generates your first income, spend 1 weekend creating your first AI prompt pack on Gumroad. 1 day of work. Passive income starting immediately. Those 2 hustles together give you active income growing weekly and passive income compounding quietly in the background. Add social media management as your 3rd hustle once you have Fiverr reviews to use as social proof. 3 hustles, all powered by AI, all running simultaneously, all growing. Your action plan starting today. Start with Fiverr content writing today. Set up your profile with Claude. Create 2 portfolio samples. Publish your gig tonight. This weekend, create 1 AI prompt pack and list it on Gumroad. 2 income streams running by next week. AI doing most of the work. Which of these 5 hustles are you starting first? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If these honest results helped you decide, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.